Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how to enable quick scope in PUBG. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your PUBG Mobile application on your mobile device and from the home page, tap on the little arrow pointing upwards at the bottom right next to inventory. Now in the menu, click on settings. Inside the settings menu, go ahead and tap on controls on the right hand side menu. You will then be able to see the scope setting button. Right under quick scope switch, tap on enable. Right after you select enable, you will be able to enable the quick scope option. Quick scoping is a technique that allows you to quickly aim and shoot without a scope. This will improve your reaction time during combat, and after enabling it, you can enhance your quick scoping ability by simply tapping on the enable menu under quick scope switch. And that is how you can easily enable quick scope on PUBG. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more PUBG tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.